Basil is an herb. The parts of the plant that grow above the ground are used to make medicine. Basil is used for stomach spasms, loss of appetite, intestinal gas, kidney conditions, fluid retention, head colds, warts, and worm infections. It is also used to treat snake and insect bites. Ladies sometimes use basil before and after childbirth to promote blood circulation, and also to start the flow of breast milk. Some people use it as a gargle. In foods, basil is used for flavor. Basil is one of my favorite herbs. It is a staple in my kitchen and grows year-round in my household. Not only does it offer a fresh and unique taste to many dishes, but it also comes with many health benefits. Basil has powerful antioxidant properties which promote a healthy diet and lifestyle, as it protects from free radicals damage and cancer, and prevents aging. Beta-carotene is one of these antioxidants, which is turned into vitamin A in the body. It prevents the oxidation of cholesterol and protects the heart and blood vessels. It also prevents rheumatoid arthritis, asthma, and osteoarthritis, which are often the result of free radicals. Basil can offer numerous health benefits, such as natural antibiotic. According to scientific research, basil boosts the immune system. It has strong antiseptic and antibacterial properties, and thus treats various bacterial infections. Basil also protects the heart and blood vessels. This plant is high in vitamin B6 and magnesium. Magnesium prevents heart attacks and strengthens the cardiovascular system. B6 prevents the accumulation of harmful ingredients, like homocysteine. Moreover, it lowers the risk of arrhythmia and provides relaxation of the muscles. Basil in cooking? Basil is an extremely important condiment in numerous cuisines around the world. This is due to the fact that it goes well with various dishes. However, note that you should add basil at the very end of the preparation process, in order to preserve its taste. You should try to make sure to use it fresh to get a stronger flavor. Therefore, it is often used in cooking. The basil tea is extremely healthy and delicious. You should pour some hot water over some chopped basil leaves, cover the pot and leave it thus for 8 minutes. Afterward, strain it and enjoy it. It can also be used in the preparation of desserts. You should chop basil and mix it with lemon juice. Then, add some water and sugarcane juice and freeze it in ice cubes. Then, blend the ice cubes in a blender and serve it as an iced dessert in a Mediterranean style. You can combine it with some fresh, Italian salad of tomato, mozzarella, and fresh basil. Yet, the most popular basil dish is pesto genovese. It is prepared with pine nuts, green basil sauce, and Parmesan cheese. Prepare the sauce using olive oil, garlic, and chopped basil. Serve it with rice, pasta, and bruschetta.